Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm Alekhya and I do different type of videos on my channel, starting from skincare, lifestyle, cooking and hauls. So today I'm here to show you different shades of lipstick that I have. Though there are not much, but I have pretty much managed to collect all the different shades that we all need in our vanity. So we can mix and match, or maybe that goes with different type of dresses we wear. So without wasting any time, let's hop into the video. Now the first thing that I am carrying is my wet wipes actually, so that I can try those lipstick to show you guys that how the lipstick shades does look, and then I can wipe it off and try on the other one. So the first thing I would start with is the red shade, because pretty much everybody is in love with the red shade right now. So the first lipstick that I have got is basically a gift for my birthday from my friend. That is from Maybelline and it's in the shade 382 red. So this is a matte lipstick, but I just love it. So I would try it on and I'll show you guys how it looks. So this is how this color looks, and at first it is not that much matte that would make your lips so dry, but it's a very creamy shade of matte, if you can relate what I'm saying. So what I do at times is, if it's looking so bright, depending on the occasion I'm visiting, so I put a tissue and just tap it so that it makes it dry and it is not that vibrant in color. But this is how it looks. So it's really nice. Now I'll try on the second color, that is also from Maybelline. That is this one, and it's in the shade 640. So I use it very too many times, and it has got the same effect. So I'm not just trying it, because this and this is almost the same one. It gives a little bit of a maroon type, so I'm not trying it on, but this is how it looks. I can just swatch it for you guys to have a look, and it's also in the creamy form. So this is it, and after some time it won't come off. Right now it is, but after some time. So if any of the lipstick that comes off, so what I use it, I just dab some powder so that it gives you a matte look and it doesn't come off. Now the third one, sorry, my bad. So the third one that I'll show you is the Mode from the company Mode, yes, and it's the shade is called as Haughty. Now it's in a liquid form, and this I'll just show you one so that you can have a better understanding how it looks. So this is basically a very glossy one, in case if you're wearing a very shiny dress, a black one, and you want to pair it with a red lipstick. So you have to make your eyes very minimal and not too much highlighted, so that your lips can highlight actually. So this is a close look, and it's very shiny actually. It's very shiny, and it doesn't it's not a matte, so it doesn't settle down on your lips. But this is actually, I really like it. I really like it, and it's very affordable. So moving on to the next shade, I'll try on a matte maroon one. This is from Miss Claire, and it's a very I'm using it for a long time. It's in the shade of 61. So I'll show you guys how it looks, and it's a very soft creamy texture it has got. So this is the Miss Claire matte cream, lip cream actually, soft matte lip cream, and it's in the shade of 61. So this gives you a burgundy or maroon look actually. So this is also a bold color, isn't it? So this is it. Now moving on, I'll show you quickly some pink shade lipstick that I have got actually. So this is from Maybelline again, and I believe many of you has got this shade, that is in the shade of 30. It's called Romantic, and it's matte actually. It's too matte and too bright for my skin tone, that's what I feel, but at times it's nice. So this is the color. It's pink and it's very vibrant. I avoid wearing this shade like in the sunlight or at day. I prefer wearing it at night, where I'm not doing much of the makeup or not highlighting my eyes and all, so I can use this lipstick. And I really sorry, I'm fumbling. I really like this lipstick. If at times I feel like wearing a pink one, so this is like gives me a vibrant look, and it suddenly bright up my complexion. So now the next one I'll try is again a pink shade from Revlon. Now I don't know the shade number or something, but this is how it looks because it doesn't say any shade number. So this is it. It's a very light color, and it's a very glossy one. It's not a matte one, and it looks a bit natural in our lips until and unless it just gives you a gloss. So this is how it looks. Now I'll show you a very bold color that I have purchased, but I haven't used it like even once. So this is actually from I guess it's from Maybelline. Yeah, this is from Maybelline, I guess, if I'm not wrong. And this is in the shade of 825, and it's a very bold berry color. So I'll just try it on so that you guys can see. I plan to use this shade if I'm going some point in my life for clubbing. This is very bold, and it really looks nice. I just want to try this lipstick somewhere in my life. I don't know, I haven't used it I just tried it in front of you guys, and I hope it's looking nice until unless it looks very bold. It's fine. I believe that, you know, if you are wearing a makeup or a dress or a lipstick, and if you can carry it very nicely, then you just carry it with your grace, and it looks amazing on you. But I'll try it someday, and you know, I make a video on that if I have tried it at any point of my life. Now I'll quickly hop into the nude shades that I have. So I have quite different nude shades. Now I believe that, you know, I need not to try all those nude shades. I can swatch it for you. So this is from Miss Claire. Again, it's a soft matte lip cream, and it's in the shade of 59. So I'll just swatch it for you guys so you can see. And it if you wear it, it doesn't, you know, nobody would understand that you wear a lipstick. So that's how it is. And it gives you a moistury lips. If you can see this, actually this is it. This what I have. And then I have got another one from Rimmel. This is Stay Matte, and it's in the shade of 7224. So this is another nice one, and it's a liquid lip color, so it doesn't gives you a matte look exactly, but it's in the mixture, and it's in like a very light shade. So I believe, you know, if you're okay carrying your light nude shades, then it's fine, but I at times, you know, mix and match it with some other color. So this is the color. Now I have another one from Huda Beauty. So I don't know this color, but this is again a dark pink shade that I have got, and I have used it quite a lot of time, and it's too good. So this is the one. Now I'll show you another brown shade of Huda Beauty. So I'll just swatch it so that it's a chocolate brown color. Again, I have used this quite a many times, especially in the afternoon time. So this is the color, brown shade, and it looks amazing, just amazing. Now I'll show you quickly two lip gloss or a liquid lipstick. Like, it's not actually a lipstick, but it gives you that color. So if you're wearing a mask and there is no point of wearing lipstick, so you can actually use those colors. So I'll just show it. The first one is from Face of Australia. It's a liquid shine actually. So it's moisturize your skin, not skin, lips. So this is how it looks. It gives you a glossy look with a natural lip color, so that what is very nice. So, you know, if you feel like not wearing a lipstick and just keeping it simple and glossy lips, so this is the best one. Now another one that I have is from OXX Cosmetics. Now this is a lip tint basically, and it gives you a shade with a lip gloss type. So this is it. Now give it some time to settle down so that you know it just get soaked in your lips, and it leaves this color actually. And this look will be it for like, it lasts for like 6-7 hours, and it will give you the same look throughout the time. So it's like the best one. So in case if you guys want to know the shades and all, so I'll link all the links of the lipstick with the shade and the name in the description box below. In case if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and check it out. And lastly, I'll show you one last thing that works amazing for your lips. I have recently discovered it. Actually, I recently went ahead to buy some lipsticks and I came with that, and it's like amazing. I'll just show you guys what it is. So this is it, and this is, I don't know from what brand it is from. It says Australia the Dirty Girl, and it's basically a lip scrub. So this is how it looks, and it has got, you know, the sugar type filling in it. So it's like sort of a scrub. It has got sugar or what, I don't know. It doesn't say what ingredients it has got. But what you need to do is, if you have, you know, wearing lipstick might crack your lips at times, so it helps wonderfully. So you put it on like this and then take a bit more and then just scrub it. Just you scrub your face, scrub it nicely, scrub it nicely for like good 1 minute, and then you can take your wet wipe or anything that you would prefer and just wipe it, and then you can go ahead, wash your face and put a lip balm. So there were dead cells, dead skin on my lips, and it has, see, it has got no dead skin on my lips. So that's it for me today, guys. If you have really enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please comment down in below that how you like this video, and in case if you want to see any other videos. But that's it with my lipstick collection that I have, pretty much all color that would be necessary for a daily basis life or maybe in your vanity. So let me know what are your thoughts about it, and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Thank you, stay safe, take care and be positive.